Imagine 10 people sitting in the same room, all around 30 years old, same jobs, similar salaries. From the outside, their lives look almost identical, waking up, going to work, coming home, and stretching their paycheck to the end of the month. Now, fast forward 5 years, a clear difference has appeared. One person looks noticeably different, calm, confident, no tension on their face. Their money has been quietly growing. They've built things that work for them, even while they sleep. The other 9, still caught in the same loop. Salary comes in, expenses go out, and at the end of every month, the same anxiety, the same questions. Life isn't moving forward, it's just repeating. So, what caused this gap? It wasn't luck. It wasn't a big inheritance or a lucky break. The real difference came from thinking and habits, small decisions made consistently that slowly changed the direction of their life. That one person started paying attention. They tracked where their money actually went. They learned the difference between spending and investing, and even with a modest amount each month, they started giving their money a direction. Meanwhile, the others stayed in the same cycle, earning and spending, without ever pausing to ask, what comes next? The truth is, most people spend their entire lives focused on making more money, believing that a bigger paycheck will solve everything. But that's not the real game. The real game is how much of that money stays with you, how you manage it, and how you make it grow. Because no matter how much you earn, if you haven't learned this, it will never feel like enough. Now, let's talk about 5 truths that separate the 1 from the 9. The first truth: income and wealth are not the same thing. Income is what comes in. Wealth is what stays and grows. Think of your finances like a water tank. Money pours in from the top, but if you don't seal the holes at the bottom, it will never fill. Most people focus only on the top. The smart ones fix the bottom first. The second truth: real wealth isn't built by hard work alone, it's built by systems. Every time you trade your time directly for money, your income has a ceiling. Time is limited, but when you build something that works even without you, an investment, a skill, a stream of income, that's where real growth begins. The third truth: before you think about growing your money, protect it from loss. Most people chase gains, but wise people first ask, how much can I afford to lose? Because recovering from a major financial setback takes far longer than avoiding one. The ones who win play the long game, not the fast one. The fourth truth: your spending habits reveal everything. Some people spend to impress others, others spend to improve their life. The ones who move forward choose value over appearance. That one shift in mindset creates a massive difference over time. And finally, the most powerful truth is compounding. It's not magic, it's math. Money multiplies itself over time, but only if you're patient and consistent. And patience is exactly what most people run out of. They stop halfway and say it doesn't work, but the ones who stay in the game long enough, they're the ones who win. There's one more trap worth naming. Every time income goes up, most people upgrade their lifestyle. Bigger phone, bigger car, more expenses, and just like that, they're back to zero. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it is the single biggest reason people never get ahead, no matter how much they earn. The path to building real wealth isn't flashy, it's quiet. It's made of small, right decisions repeated every single day, and over time, those small decisions completely change the picture. And finally, the most important investment you will ever make is in yourself. Your skills, your thinking, your financial understanding, these are the things no market crash can take from you. Money will come and go, but your abilities will always be with you. So, now the decision is yours. Will you keep doing what the 9 are doing, or will you start making the choices that the 1 made? If this hit different, write in the comments, "I am ready to change." And if you want your money to start working for you, like this video and subscribe, because here, real change begins.